Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my hops for ham recipe. This is the hops that I make when I make my Christmas ham. So if you guys would like to see how to make this homemade hops bread, keep watching. So to make this, I have in my jug, I have milk and water mixed. I'm adding in my yeast, and in goes some brown sugar. I'm going to give that a mix and just allow this to sit for about 10 minutes. We're going to activate that yeast. I'm not going to let it foam up a lot. I'm going to transfer it into a bigger container because I'm afraid that it can overflow if the container is too small. So once it's been sitting for that 10 minutes, go in with the rest of your brown sugar. Next goes in salt and melted butter. Now you're going to give this a mix. Make sure that that salt has been dissolved. Next, we're going to add this to our flour, and we're going to add it a little at a time, and we're going to be using our hands to grab that flour and mix it together with that milk mixture. Do it in small batches, guys, and as you're mixing and it comes together, set a batch aside, mix another batch, set it aside. This is the easiest way I can tell you all to knead flour. So go ahead and do it in batches, set it aside, and continue to knead until all the flour comes together. And then we're going to bring all of those batches together into one big dough. So I like kneading this really well until it comes into that bowl. Now we're going to take our hands, squeeze and turn, squeeze and turn. This is just my method of when I knead flour, this is how I knead it. So besides the squeezing and turning, I like to take my knuckles and press down on the flour. So press down really well for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to bring it into a bowl. So bring from the outer into the center. And once you form it into that bowl, you're going to cover it and allow it to rest until it doubles in size. It will take up to 1 hour. So make sure and keep it in a warm place and it will double really quickly. So remove your plastic wrap and punch down on your dough. If you put it in your oven with a pot of hot water, your dough will rise even faster. So that's just a quick tip. Don't put it in your microwave. I used to do that, but I've stopped. I'm forming it back into a dough ball, and I'm going to cover it again and allow it to double again. We're triple proofing this dough. So once it has doubled, it took another hour. I'm removing the plastic again and I'm punching down. You want to remove all of the air that's in the bread. So now we're going to go ahead and break our dough into small portions. I'm making my dough balls really small, guys. If you wanted a bigger hops bread, make them bigger. My dough was about 2 to 3 inches in diameter, and I got 15 dough balls out of this. So what I'm going to do now, once you've made out all of your dough balls, spritz them with a little bit of butter or oil, and then you're going to cover it with plastic wrap. The spritzing allows you to put that plastic wrap, and when it rises, it does not stick to the plastic wrap. So you see how it has doubled in size? Now it's time to place it into our oven, and we're going to bake these until they're golden brown. They should take around 30 to 40 minutes to bake. Once they're nice and golden, take them out. And then I'm going to spritz it with some more of that butter. You can brush it with butter if you want. Feel free to omit the spritzing part. It's all up to you. So once it's been cooled down, you can go ahead and pull your bread apart. And you'd want to store it while it's nice and warm so it stays soft. Look how soft this bread is. I know it's a little bit on the small side, and that was my intention, to make it small. So remember, you guys can double the size of this if you wanted to. So I'm cutting it open so you all can see how amazing the inside looks. It's pillowy soft. Look how light and fluffy this bread is. So guys, how easy was that to make? I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you give it a try when you're making your ham this Christmas season. Thank you guys so much. Season's greetings to everyone. Thank you for your continued support on my channel. Do leave me your comments. I love to hear from you all. Stay safe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.